All right, let's test out some synthetic division here. Make sure we remember this from yesterday. So we've got our dividend, we've got our divisor, and we're gonna divide it out. But we're gonna use this synthetic division method, which is just a little bit quicker. So the rules are: you take the zero of the divisor. So -3 would make this be 0. So -3 goes in our little half box here, and then we take the coefficients of our divisor. So it starts with 4. Careful, there's no x squared term. So you do have to take into account that there is a 0 in here. You got to fill in any missing degrees. And then -2 on the x and a 3 on the constant term. So here's the rules. You drop the first number down. Now you're going to repeatedly multiply and add. So we multiply first, get -12. We add vertically to stay at -12. We multiply to get 36. We add vertically to get 34. We multiply to get a -102, and we add to get a 99. Cool. So our remainder is 99, and we have the point now where we can write our answer. I always read it right to left. So we go remainder, constant, x to the first, x to the second. So this is going to be 4x to the second minus 12x plus 34, remainder of 99 over the divisor. So that's going to be our answer. You can check this with the distributive property, where you distribute this with this, and that does work. But more efficiently, you can check it with what's called the remainder theorem, which means if you take this -3, whatever this 0 was, and you substitute it in, you should get the remainder right out. So I'll show you. We'll see if it holds true. So we put in our -3. Oops, probably put the 4 first. Okay, so to the third minus 2 times -3 plus 3. So we work that out, and we get our value there. And I actually did make an error. It should have been negative. Sorry. My mistake all the way through there. So anyway, that's why the check is a smart move. You want to substitute your number in so you can see what the remainder should have been, make sure it matches the remainder that you had. And again, for me, it was perfect because I made an error. I added these up and I said 99, but it should have been -99, and I caught it. So that's why you want to be able to do that, and why that's a kind of an important little check skill to have. All right, so we're using some more of that today.